Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Qtum using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. Open your Trust Wallet app, then go to your wallet section, and here on the top of the screen you see the receive and buy icon. Now you can either buy or receive Qtum, and here go to your search bar. And then when you find your crypto, just tap on it and it's going to generate for you your QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive Qtum in your Trust Wallet. Or you can tap on copy and it's going to copy your address and you can receive Qtum this way. Or you can use the set amount feature where you can type in a set amount of Qtum, and with this new QR code you can receive just this set amount, which is a very nice feature for payments or transactions. And obviously with the share icon you can share your QR code on social media. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone 13 and see you in the next one. Bye.